If you're looking for the best Hostinger VPS coupon code, this is the exact deal you want to use right now. With this offer, you can get up to 70% off VPS hosting, plus an extra 10% discount using the exclusive coupon code, and a free domain name on annual plans. When you combine everything, you'll actually pay less than the price shown on Hostinger's website. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get the Hostinger VPS discount, how to apply the coupon code, and the real pricing after the discount. Let's get started. To get this deal, go down to the description below and click the Hostinger VPS link I provided. Right next to that link, you'll see the exclusive coupon code that gives you an additional 10% off. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I earn a commission if you decide to sign up. There's no extra cost to you, and you'll still receive the lowest pricing available. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Hostinger VPS page. Click Claim Deal to view the plans. Here's what the pricing looks like after applying the coupon code. KVM1 as low as $584 per month, KVM2 as low as $809 per month, KVM4 as low as $1169 per month, KVM8 as low as $2339 per month. These prices are lower than what's shown on the main pricing page because the coupon applies an extra discount at checkout. Before you choose a plan, there are a few important things you need to know. The coupon code only works on annual plans. The monthly plan does not support the coupon code. The monthly plan also does not include a free domain name. You get a free domain name only with annual terms. The 24-month plan gives you the biggest savings overall, so if you want the lowest price possible, go with the 24-month option. Once you've picked your plan, click Choose Plan. From here, look for the option that says Have a Coupon Code. Enter the coupon code from the description and apply it. You'll immediately see the price drop. This is where you'll notice that your total is lower than the advertised pricing. Next, select your billing term. Again, I recommend the 24-month plan. Create or log in to your Hostinger account. Enter your payment details, complete your purchase. And that's it. Your VPS server will be ready to go. Hostinger VPS is a great option if you want more power and control than shared hosting, dedicated resources, faster performance for websites or apps, full root access. It's especially good for WordPress sites with higher traffic, developers running Node.js or Python apps, hosting multiple projects on one server. To get the Hostinger VPS discount plus extra 10% coupon, go down to the description and click the link I provided. Make sure to use the coupon code at checkout, choose an annual plan, and go with the 24-month term for maximum savings. That's how you get the lowest Hostinger VPS pricing available right now. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more hosting deals and tutorials.